Factoring of quadratic trinomials, case number 1. So, where a is equal to 1. So, yung quadratic trinomials natin ay in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So, yung a, yan yung kasama o coefficient ni x squared. Yung b, yan yung kasama ni x. And yung c, that is our constant. So, yung case number 1, a is equal to 1, meaning wala kang nakikitang number sa tabi ni x squared. Kasi 1 lang yung kanyang coefficient. So, for example, x squared plus 7x plus 12. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung x squared natin ay walang katabing number. So, that's why a is equal to 1. So, yung a natin, ayan. So, yung kasama ni x squared, yung b ay yung 7, yung c naman ay yung 12. So, paano ba natin ipina-factor yung quadratic trinomial? So, first, we write 2 parentheses. Ayan. And then, we will distribute the variable or the letter. So, ang variable natin dito ay yung x. And then, we will identify the sign of our factors. So, una, titingnan natin yung sign ng ating c. So, yung sign ng ating c ay plus or positive. So, ibig sabihin, yung sign na gagamitin natin sa mga factors natin ay same sign. It's either plus, plus, or minus, minus. So, paano nating malalaman kung plus, plus, or minus, minus? It depends on the sign of our b. So, ano yung ating b? So, yung b natin ay positive or plus. So, meaning, yung sign na gagamitin natin ay plus, plus. So, ilagay na natin yung sign natin dito. Now, to get the second term of our factors, ipa-factor natin yung ating c. So, yung c natin ay 12. So, balik tayo dun sa sign ng c. So, since ang sign ng c natin ay positive, so ang operation natin ay plus. So, ano yung number na kapag pinag-plus natin or kapag pinag-add natin, we will get b. So, ang b natin ay 7. So, alamin muna natin yung mga factors ng 12. So, let's enumerate them. So, 12 and 1, 4 and 3, 6 and 2. So, among the factors, alin dito yung kapag pinag-add natin, makukuha natin yung b o yung 7. So, the answer is 4 and 3. So, yan yung magiging second term ng ating factors. So, since parehas naman silang positive or plus plus, so okay lang kahit magkabaliktad sila. So, the factors of x squared plus 7x plus 12 is x plus 4 and x plus 3. Another example. X squared minus 5x plus 6. So, first, sulat ulit tayo ng close and open parentheses. And then, let's distribute the variable. So, ang variable natin ay x. Now, identify natin yung sign ng ating c. So, lagyan ulit natin sila ng letter para hindi kayo malito ha. A, yan yung x squared. B, yan yung second term o yung kasama ni x. Then, c, yan yung constant. So, what is the sign of our c? Positive ulit. So, ibig sabihin, same sign yung gagamitin natin. It's either plus, plus, or minus, minus. So, paano nating malalaman kung plus, plus, or minus, minus? Depende kay b. So, sino yung b natin? Negative. Meaning, ang gagamitin nating sign ay minus, minus. Yan, lagay na natin. So, again, since same sign ulit yan, so ang operation na gagamitin natin ay add. So, ano yung factors ng 6 na kapag pinag-add natin, we will get b, which is 5. So, identify muna natin yung mga factors ng c. that is 6. So, 6 and 1, 2 and 3. So, alin dito yung kapag pinag-add natin, makukuha natin yung B, which is 5. So, that is 2 and 3. So, since parehas naman yung negative or minus-minus, so okay lang kahit magkabaliktad. So, the answer is x minus 3 and x minus 2. Another example, x squared plus 7x minus 18. So again, write 2 close and open parentheses. Distribute the variable, so that is x. And then, identify the sign of c. So yung sign ng c natin ay negative. So kapag ang c natin ay negative, ibig sabihin, unlike sign yung gagamitin natin. That is positive, negative. So, saan natin gagamitin yung sign ng B? So, kapag unlike yan, yung sign ng B, gagamitin natin. So, kapag ang B mo ay positive, that would be the sign of the bigger number. Ayan. So, kung ano yung B mo, yan yung magiging sign ng bigger number mamaya dun sa factors na pipiliin natin. So, since unlike yung sign natin, so, minus yung operation na gagamitin natin. So, ipa-factor natin si 18. So, ano yung mga factors ni 18? Na kapag pinag-minus natin, makukuha natin yung B, which is 7. So, ilista muna natin yung mga factors ni 18. So, 18 and 1, 6 and 3, 9 and 2. So, minus yung operation na gagamitin natin. So, alin dito, yung kapag pinag-minus natin, makukuha natin yung 7. That is 9 and 2. So, yung sign natin ay positive, negative. Question, sino si positive, sino si negative? Titingnan natin si B. The sign of B is the sign of the bigger number. So, meaning, ang 9 natin ay positive, then yung 2 ay negative. So, that is the answer. Next, last example. So, draw a parenthesis, distribute the variable, x, identify the sign of c. So, ang c natin ay negative. So, ibig sabihin, unlike. So, the sign of the factors are positive and negative. And then, identify the sign of b. So, ang b natin ay negative. So, that would be the sign of the bigger number. So, unlike sign tayo, kaya minus ang operation natin. So, let's factor 20. So, ano-ano yung mga factors ni 20? 20 and 1, 10 times 2, 5 times 4. So, minus, ano? So, ano yung factors na kapag pinag-minus natin, we will get B, which is 8. So, that is 10 and 2. But the question, who is positive, who is negative? Since ang B natin ay negative, meaning the sign of the bigger number is negative. So, si 10, mapupunta sa minus, si 2, mapupunta sa positive. And that's the answer. That's it.